This guy's 29.5 inches. I didn't get a weight on him. He's under 10. Probably close to 10, but he's under 10. I had to sit with him for a while for him to reacclimate. He wasn't out of the water long, but he's really beat up. Put up a good fight. Surprised I landed him on skein, brown sugar candy skein. I'm just gonna let him chill there for a minute and watch him. You can see his fins and stuff are pretty beat up. We're in some shallow water, so these guys just force their way up through. Little scars from war. Let's see how close they'll let me get right with him. Oh yeah, I'm standing right with him now. He might not make it. He was pretty beat up. Let's see if he'll turn around. Go ahead, turn around, buddy. There he goes. What a beast. See you later, guy.